Hey, what's up, friends? Check this out. We are in the lower rec room of this year's St. Jude Dream Home Showcase. This home was built by Victory Homes in partnership with all the local trades, and we are one of those who were honored to be part of this project and donate all of the materials and all of our labor for this project. After the parade of homes is done, it's going to be sold off, and all the proceeds are going to St. Jude. And you all know what an amazing cause and organization that is. So let me show you this rec room and show you what we did in this room in particular. We did a big 75-inch Samsung TV. You can see we've got all the sports playing down here, which is a fun entertainment space for the whole family. They did a beautiful job decorating this room. For the sound system, we put in a Sonos Arc Ultra soundbar. That's their premium soundbar from Sonos that lives here underneath the TV. Just to the right of the cabinet, I put in a Sonos Sub Mini. The Mini is the perfect size subwoofer for this size room. It comes in either white or black. A lot of people like to do the white because it matches the baseboards and the trim typically. And then to round out the surround sound system, I went with in-ceiling Sonos surround speakers. These are the Sonos by Sonance speakers. These are the 6-inch speakers, and you have a left and right surround sound channel to give you that Dolby Atmos surround sound system that everybody loves. So if you have some time, come on down to the Parade of Homes this weekend and next weekend and check out what's going on here. And if you have any questions, let me know. We'll see you soon.